Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and access. First, export mail with Google Takeout so you retain messages and attachments. This prevents permanent loss. Next, review and update recovery email and phone so you can regain access if needed. Then, sign into the specific Gmail account you plan to quit. Make sure it's the active profile in your browser. Once done, close other Google accounts to avoid confusion, and navigate straight to Google account settings to continue the deletion process. You now remove the Gmail service while preserving the Google account if desired. In Account Settings, go to Data and Privacy, then choose Delete a Google service. Google will ask you to authenticate with password and two-step verification. Select the trash icon next to Gmail, read the consequences, linked data and email address loss, and enter an alternate contact email so you can still use other Google services. Make sure you confirm via the emailed link. This step finalizes the deletion request. You complete the process by clicking the confirmation link sent to your alternate email, which finalizes the Gmail removal. After deletion, update any subscriptions, banking, or login records that use that address. Replace them with a new email to avoid missed communications. If something goes wrong, if you can't access confirmation or deletion is blocked, use Google's account recovery flow, check two-step settings, or revoke third-party app access. If needed, wait 24 to 72 hours and retry authentication steps to resolve temporary blocks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.